watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Fillmore, Goodhue, Houston, Malheur, Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not
Just
be
about to
imminent,
leave, too.
persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Southwestern Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota until 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm. Quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zamroda, Kenyon, Winnemingo, Tater, and Bombay. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county.
Girl, what the fuck?
Northeastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, northern Wenatchee County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cresco, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mabel around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Vernon Springs County Park, Henrytown, Vernon Springs, Hesper, Highlandville, Bonaire, and County Roads V50 and 46. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota, and the following counties in Iowa: Howard and Wenatchee. Expected hazard. 6 miles north of Waynamingo, or 14 miles southwest of Red Wing, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include damage to infrastructure siding. Entries include certain locations impacted includes Red Wing infrastructure. This includes United States. Highway 61 near mile marker 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41.